Section 7.3, Example 3 on page 527, we have a common logarithm is a logarithm with base 10. You can write a common logarithm, log base 10 of x, simply as log x, without showing the 10. Many measurements of physical phenomena have such a wide range of values that the reported measurements are logarithms, exponents, of the values, not the values themselves. When you use the logarithm of a quantity instead of the quantity, you are using a logarithmic scale. The Richter scale is a logarithmic scale. It gives logarithmic measurements of earthquake magnitude. So here we have a picture of the Richter scale with the magnitude and the energy released times 30. So this is showing the magnitude of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the energy released. Example 3 says, in December of 2004, an earthquake with magnitude 9.3 on the Richter scale hit off the northwest coast of Sumatra. The diagram shows the magnitude of an earthquake that hit Sumatra in March 2005. The formula log of I1 divided by I2 equals M1 minus M2 compares the intensity levels of earthquakes, where I is the intensity level determined by a seismograph and M is the magnitude on the Richter scale. How many times more intense was the December earthquake than the March earthquake? Notice over here we have the magnitude of the March 2005 earthquake as 8.7. Using the formula given in the problem, we can plug in the magnitude of the 2004 earthquake 9.3 and the 2005 earthquake 8.7, subtract those two to get 0.6. So the log of I1 divided by I2 equals 0.6. To find just I1 divided by I2, we can apply the definition of the common logarithm. Using the definition of the common logarithm, if log base 10 of x equals y, then x equals 10 to the y power. Here we have log base 10 of I1 divided by I2 equals 0.6, so we can rewrite this as I1 divided by I2 equals 10 to the 0.6 power. If you plug 10 to the 0.6 power into a calculator, you get about 3.98. Therefore, the December earthquake was about 4 times more intense than the March earthquake. The work for this problem is written out on the next slide, and now I would like you to try number 6. In 1812, an earthquake of magnitude 7.9 shook New Madrid, Missouri. Compare the intensity level of that earthquake to the intensity level of each earthquake below. So for number 6, we have a magnitude 3.2 in Charlottesville, Virginia in 2001.